Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of registering for a Langley Federal Credit Union account. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Langley Federal Credit Union website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Langley Federal Credit Union, www.langleyfcu.org. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Open an Account button. Step 2. Choose your account type. After clicking on the Open an Account button, you will be presented with various types of accounts, such as checking, savings, or youth accounts. Review the options and select the account that best suits your needs. Step 3. Complete the online application. Once you have chosen your account type, you will be directed to the online application form. Fill out all required fields, including your personal information, contact details, and identification. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 4. Provide identification. Langley Federal Credit Union requires you to submit a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or state ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload a scanned copy or a photo of your ID. Step 5. Fund your new account. Next, you will be prompted to fund your new account. You can transfer funds from another bank account, use a debit or credit card, or set up direct deposit. Choose the method that works best for you. Step 6. Review and submit your application. Before finalizing your application, take a moment to review all the information you've provided. Ensure everything is accurate and complete. Once you're ready, submit your application. Step 7. Confirmation. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email from Langley Federal Credit Union. This email will provide you with details about the next steps and any additional information you may need. By following these steps, you will successfully register for a Langley Federal Credit Union account. We hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more valuable content. Thank you for watching.